your first time outside in the grass.
You're in the grassers.
Yes. Clap, clap, clap. I'm holding stuff. Daddy put your play set together, but we gotta move it. Oh.
Stand up, yay! Clap, 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 clap.
There's a kitty over there.
360 shot.
Oh, goodness.
I'm in the grassers for real.
What's Mama doing? Oh, it's muddy over here. Oh, it's probably cold and muddy, Matt. Come on. She doesn't know how to get up in those shoes. Hi. Oh.
There you go.
Oh.
There you go.
Fine. Hi, pretty. Blue eyes. Hmm?
It's kind of not smooth on the ground.
Yeah.
It's kind of curdumpled.
Is it curdumpled?
It's curdumpled.
Hi.
Underneath my feet.
It's a little cooler out here now. She might be
Feels
chilled.
curdumpled. Good girl, you're walking in grass for the first time. I almost getting it on video. Yay!
Oh, she does not like it. It's cold and muddy.
It's wet.
Yeah.
It feels cones. It's not like my
Especially
carpet.
over there. Don't let her go over there. It's really muddy. Oh. Oh. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness.
There
Can do it.
Careful steps.
There she goes.
She's trying to come to me.
There she goes. Oh, be careful with her on this slope, Matt. Yeah, it's dangerous. She can roll really easy. Woo!
Can you hold your hand?
Yes.
I'll hold your hand.
Daddy, hold your hands.
I'll hold your hand. John, what you want me to do?
Yeah.
For walkers.
Opa. Yeah, you're dragging her feet.
Oh.
I'll bring her over here. It's muddy up in there. There's not much room to even walk right there. I'm behind you.
And walk back.
Hi. I'm right here.
Here, hold your hand. Hold them both. There's broken glass there. There's a piece of glass there.
Oh.
I picked it up.
Yeah.
Ready? I'm gonna take you down. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, God.
Now this you don't want to fall on for sure.
Yeah, hold her. Flowers on a tree are pretty.
Maybe I should put her up there so you can see.
Mm-hmm.
Turn around.
Oh, be careful.